How to log out on Discord on all devices. In this video, I will show you an easy way to log out your Discord account on all devices. For example, you have your account logged in on others' devices and you don't have the access anymore on that device. You can still log out of it with this simple tutorial. This should be a quick video since it is easy, so if it helps you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment down below. So let's jump straight into the video. We have our Discord app open in here. So what we are going to do is go to the settings. And we can see here the profile settings is the change password option. Then what we are going to do is change our password of our account. Once you have changed the password, Discord will automatically log out your account on all devices it is currently logged on. So if in case you didn't have access to other devices, this is the way to log out your account. So I hope this video helps you. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment down below. And don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys!